butterflies. You'd get cardstock, which is basically like cardboard-ish paper.
We fold it in half. On one side, we drew the outline of a butterfly.
And you cut out the butterfly you drew.
We unfold it and we have a butterfly.
You get the paint and you blob it on the cut butterfly. And then we fold the paper, mush it.
You never know what you're gonna get.
Whoa. It looks symmetrical, which means it's the same on both sides.
Yellow, yellow, red, red, green, green, orange, orange.
Symmetrical.
I added some yellow paint because I thought there was too much purple.
There could never be too much purple. I love purple.
This is the butterfly.
Now we're gonna let our butterflies dry.
We're gonna put them in the sky. This is our sky. It's a sheet that we hung up. We're taping sticks to the butterflies.
We taped it onto the middle of it, so then when you move it, the air is pushing up against the wings to make it go like this.
Butterflies are beautiful, magical, and colorful.
You can also watch full episodes and play Pinkalicious and Peter Pick games anytime on the PBS Kids video and games apps.